Hello, today we learned past simple. Yay! Past simple talks about actions finished in the past. Most verbs add ed.
Yesterday I played. I jumped high.
Some verbs change.
We went to the park and ate ice cream.
Wow!
Cool! Yay!
With questions, we use did. Did you play?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Did you study? I didn't play. I studied.
I studied. That's easy.
Yesterday, we went on a trip.
We went to the museum.
We visited the museum and saw robots.
Yes, we saw amazing robots. Wow!
Remember, add ed for regular verbs. Like jump becomes jumped, and play becomes played. Got it? Give me some examples. I played video games last night. I ate burgers yesterday. Excellent examples, everyone. Past simple is fun.
Past simple is fun.
Tell us, what did you do yesterday? Practice past simple. Goodbye.